In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Canva. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is where you can access your designs, templates, and saved content. If Canva takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible so the buttons and menus are easy to find. Once you're in Canva, go to Projects. You'll usually find this in the main navigation area. Projects is the section where Canva keeps your saved designs, uploads, and folders, so this is the right place to go if you want to organize your content more efficiently. Creating folders here can be especially useful if you're managing different types of designs, working on multiple clients, or simply trying to keep your workspace neat and easy to navigate. After you open Projects, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the plus sign. This button is used to create something new inside your projects area. If you don't see it right away, give yourself a second to scan the top of the page carefully, since placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or whether you're using the desktop app or a web browser. When you click the plus sign, a menu will appear with creation options. From that menu, click Add New Folder. This will create a folder inside your projects section, giving you a dedicated space to store and organize your Canva files. At this point, your new folder is ready to use. Keeping your projects in folders can save time later, especially when you need to find designs quickly or separate personal work from professional content. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference if you use Canva regularly. As a quick tip, try creating folders based on categories that make sense for your workflow, such as social media, presentations, marketing materials, or brand assets. That way, as your project library grows, everything stays much easier to manage. And that's it. You've successfully created a new folder in Canva by opening Canva, going to Projects, clicking the plus sign in the upper right corner, and selecting Add New Folder.